All right, so obviously first things we want to do is remove this plastic. If you don't feel comfortable like getting to this part, don't proceed any further. Just cut your losses and take it to a shop. Take it to someone who knows what they're doing. For the PVC hose, there's a little hose right here that's connected. You're gonna wanna take that little screw out and pop that hose back. So you just wanna be careful on how hard you push this thing back here, right? Because this part is actually kind of expensive. And they break easily. So I wouldn't be surprised if your hose right here broke. This is what was replaced last time I had the engine out. This thing was so brittle though, it broke in like a dozen pieces. So I wouldn't be surprised if this breaks. I'd be prepared to order one. I'll throw one in a link down below just for you guys too. Now we're gonna remove all these Torx. We're gonna remove all these T30s, all of them. Take them all out, and then we'll remove the intake. See, I just worked on mine recently. So your intake manifold might be stuck really bad. It might feel like something's stuck. Just pry it up gently until it pops. I have brand new seals on mine, that's why I'm not replacing them. But it should come off, just like so.